Hello guys, and welcome back to Shopify theme development tutorial. My name is Rahul, and today I'm gonna discuss about page template in Shopify. uh what is a page template in Shopify? Basically anything apart from uh let's go to online store and then pages, and apart from the store templates are included in this pages. Anything in here is included in the page template. So we can create multiple page templates with different names. So probably we can actually add it in this way. So we can create a template called page dot alternate dot json, not JSON but page dot alternate dot liquid. So I'll just create one. So let's create one new file, page dot alternate dot liquid. So that's created, and let's see, we have this available over here, and we can actually access the page templates over here. So let's see if we are able. So actually we'll not be able to access it over here, but let me show it in this particular theme. So edit code, and let's create a template called page, and that should be a liquid template, and I'll name it alternate, just to show that we can create the liquid template also. And in as discussed earlier, in comparison to liquid template, we should be using JSON templates in terms of uh, if we want more flexibility in our customization. So if we have this alternate dot liquid, maybe we can just also create dot JSON also. So I'll actually show the two difference between the two. Section, let's call a section called let's call custom dot liquid, custom liquid, custom, right? So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm showing it to you in this Dawn theme. Okay, so we have this pages, we have this alternate created. Now with this alternate created, we'll have only this section. We'll not be able to create like dynamic sections over here with this dot, because it's simple dot liquid. But if we do it with the page, we can add as many page as we want. Let's see how many we can add. How many does it allow? So we have this page object, and we can access all these things. Let's do it later, but let's create new your JSON. And with the JSON, as you already know, that we have access to let's see, we have this new, and with this we have access to all these stuff. Now what does this page template include? Let's see, we can show the content of the page in this. So we can show content for the layout. Wait, let's see, we can just simply show content as it's being shown in this. Let's see, page dot content. So we'll be using dynamic values over here. So page dot content, so we can access the objects from over here. So page dot content, page dot author, meta fields, whatever meta fields are visible, title and URL. That is it. We can access all of these through this. Okay, so again, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We can access all of these over here. I'll access it through over here just to show it to you. Okay, page dot handle. So we have this page handle, which would be in the break. We'll put a break br, and then we'll also show what should be showing. Page dot handle, page dot title. We can show the page dot title, page title, and there are a lot of things we can do with this. So this we can be creative while doing these things. So let's see. We have this pages, and let's go to the alternate. We have this page dot handle is contact in this case, in this case, and page dot title is equal to contact again, and page dot URL is also gonna be, I believe, same. So let's see. Is again this one. All right, so we have access to all of these objects, and we can actually use them as our parameters to show different things. So that is it, I think. So that completes the page. That was a short topic, I believe, but yeah, it can be used a lot in different cases. If you want to create custom pages, we can just access this templates, and we can just create a JSON file, and with the JSON file we'll be able to create pages. So landing page creation is actually through this whole stuff. So we can create multiple landing pages with this. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today in the page section, and I'll be back with the password section, and I'll be discussing in detail about the password section in the next video. So till then, thank you so much guys, and I'll see you then.